Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting Playit running where it matters. Install the app on your phone and the TV app if available, and sign in so both devices share the same account. Make sure both are on the same Wi-Fi, ideally 5 GHz, to reduce lag. Once done, update the app and the TV firmware, and grant local network permissions so devices can discover each other. This prevents pairing failures and speeds up the next steps. Now you'll pair the devices. Open Playit on your phone, choose Cast or Connect, and select your TV from the device list. Use a QR scan or enter the pairing code shown on the TV when prompted. If the TV doesn't appear, enable DLNA or UPnP on your router and reserve an IP for the TV to stabilize discovery. Once connected, set stream quality and transcoding in Playit so the video matches your TV's capabilities and your network bandwidth. Start casting by tapping play or cast on the video. You control playback from your phone and the TV renders the stream. Monitor audio sync and HDR options. Adjust them in Playit if picture or sound seem off. If playback stalls or the TV won't connect, restart the phone, TV, and router, then clear Playit's cache. This resolves most state and cache problems. One key troubleshooting tip: always confirm both devices remain on the exact same Wi-Fi network and not.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.